rookie got into foul trouble early in the game. How big of an impact did that have on the first half?
When you take one of our better ball players and you have to sit him on the bench for an entire half, already down Charlie, so we're down two of our better ball players. That's, I guess, the definition of a pretty good team, that those guys were able to pick him up. We were able to survive and not jeopardize Connor getting his third foul in that half. So I think that was really big that he did pick up two, but his teammates really picked him up to keep actually going to the locker room with a halftime lead. So it was big, but good teammates helped him out.
In the second half, Bonduel had an 8-point lead at one point in the game. How did the team come together to come out on top with the win again?
Well, we knew they were going to do some things, that they were going to press the issue a little bit, and we talked about that before the game, that they're going to do some things that might get them out of the ball game. So we're stuck with what we knew could get us there. We still stuck with a team. We didn't do anything out of the ordinary, but they kept grinding away. They knew that there was no such thing as an 8-point shot to get us back in, so we had to chip away at it, and they kept their composure.